Hello and welcome to this episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai. What a euphoric gap up today. The US market as well as Indian market and all the world markets are going to bounce from these levels. Guys, it seems the worst is over now and we are headed towards a new bull run. This may sound a little too premature for you, but trust me, the way we are looking at the charts, the way we are looking at the price movement in the global market, this looks like a new beginning, a new era of a bull run. Now here, a very interesting take on your Nifty and Bank Nifty that we are going to talk about. But quickly, let me take you on my today morning's message. So today morning, this was categorically my message. And today morning we were talking about Friday 14th of October Nifty range may be 17,000 to 17,400 and Bank Nifty range may be 38,500 to 40,100 is what I'm expecting. So nothing much to say today. We may get a strong bullish move to complete our weekly market kya lagta hai targets, and the target of 17,457, which is probably halfway through. We are still struggling around 17,200. And Bank Nifty target of 39,500, which is kind of completed. Market has kissed this price and now currently struggling around those levels. Now today's momentum may continue for coming week as well, and Bank of Baroda, SBI, these look promising. IT stocks which were underperformers so far might start surprising us is what my message was. And now again there is a footnote. This footnote suggests the trend or momentum which will start may go on for a while, at least for 4 to 5 trading sessions. So do not be in a hurry to book your positions. Roll over your trades so as to make most of this up move. This short squeeze will be strong as many are still short in the market. Trade wisely. Best strategy is to do nothing. Enter the right trade and do nothing. Just sit there, sit tight. So this is something was my message. And there was a huge gap up today. So after this huge gap up opening, market actually opened at 17,293, somewhere around 17,300 level. And from those levels, we saw intraday high of somewhere around 17,350. So currently, this is where we are poised. This is where we are right now. So we had calculated target on the basis of this first leg of rally, and the target was around 17,457 for the last week. Now again we have got an intermediate higher low here. So now this time around calculating targets will be much simpler, much easier. And if I plot it this way, exactly the same level comes to, right? So the target for this particular week we are going to expect is 17,547. This is going to be my first level, and the second level, the second target comes to around 17,587. This is my second target. Okay, so let me just quickly plot this. Yeah, so this level, this is going to be my target number 2. Okay, so primarily we are looking at 17,457 and 17,589 as the bullish targets for now. We can see we have identified or got a very good small pin bar here. So the low of this particular candle, which is at 17,195, will be crucial. Now this is something which I had shared just a little while back. So in all these routine messages, there was a message stating that current downside in both indices will be limited to 17,200 and 39,300. So we are probably tested these levels, and currently we are above. This message was sent today itself at 1:16. The market is still going on, and this is where I feel a bottom is kind of made, or some subtle higher low, intermediate higher low is formed. Now from here, if we quickly move on to Bank Nifty chart. So on a Bank Nifty chart, this looks almost picture perfect. We got a target of 39,500. And now the fight for the next bullish target. So where the next bullish target is going to be, if I quickly plot this from a higher low to the higher high level. So my next target comes to around 39,800, which is this level. Okay, so 39,839 is one of my target, and the second target as usual goes to this same level 40,500. Okay, so these are the two targets that I'm looking at. Guys, this is very interesting phase, and people, when everyone is talking about recession and inflation and all these things, the market doesn't care. It's going to look at the future and just kind of zoom up. So this is where the consolidation is happening. Bank Nifty is a stronger index among these twos. It's like Nifty is kind of little underperforming and Bank Nifty is outperformer at this point in time. So to focus on the Bank Nifty as an index. This is about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Stocks, if we are going to talk about, I'm betting big on SBI, right? So SBI is one of the stock which I feel should give us a very quick amazing move. And SBI. So in case of SBI, as you can see, it has opened and then consolidating around this particular level. SBI should take out the previous high of 541, which was also incidentally our target. If it reaches up to 541 and it breaks out above 541, then it's going to be a very unique, quick kind of a journey towards the next target. So currently the target or the roadmap for SBI is somewhere like 541, 550 and then ahead above those levels. So this is going to be a very interesting journey for State Bank of India. Keep a tab on State Bank of India, keep watching State Bank of India. This can be a pretty good opportunity. Another stock quickly is Bank of Baroda. Now even in case of Bank of Baroda, right now it is lingering around 131 level. I believe that this has a support at around 132 level. So it should bounce back again to 132 level, and from these 132 levels, it should be quick to reach to 135 and 140 as targets. So these are my two targets for Bank of Baroda. Let's see how Bank of Baroda is performing. Quickly, before I move out, I want to share my P&L, whatever I have done today. Last week I had mentioned about I'll be creating some strategy videos, but then in between the week, I had to adjust, calibrate some strategies, and then I could not share that in real time. But one simple analysis, simple strategy that I'm going to share with you is this. Nifty, I have shorted 16,500 put and I have shorted 17,800 call. So this is called as a short strangle. This trade I have created, let me just quickly show you how this trade is actually working. So onto my Opstra platform, and if I go on to my portfolio, this is a saved trade which I'll be sharing with you. Short strangle in Nifty October. Now this trade was initiated when was this initiated? This trade was initiated on 7th of October, right? So from 7th of October, if we analyze this trade, so in 7 days, you can say in 7 days, this trade required a margin of 9,23,000 because there are 10 lots, 10 pairs of call and put, and the expected profit is around 80,000, which is 8.67% of the total margin that we have deployed. So far we have got about 50% or little more than 50%. So 4.77% is something which is already blocked. And if the expiry is happening between these two levels, right, between these two levels, then in that case we are going to pocket all the premium and will make a healthy profit of around 80,000 rupees. So this is short strangle, very basic strategy, but we should know the range where Nifty is likely to be, where is Nifty likely to expire, and on the basis of that you can create such strategies and keep on earning rent, you can say, for your investments, and month on month you can keep on making these kind of money, right? Guys, I hope today's episode of Market Kya Lagta Hai must be helpful for you, and if you have really liked this episode, do like the video, share with your like-minded friends, and please do not forget to subscribe to Growth Model channel. Thank you so much. I'm signing off. Bye bye. Take care.